In today's video, I will show you how to grow new plants from cuttings, step by step, and which plants root the fastest in water or soil. Always pick a plant that is pest-free, disease-free, and actively growing. Your cutting should be 4 to 6 inches long and it should have a node at lower end where new roots will form. Remove lower leaves so the node can be in water or soil. Cuttings can have 2 to 3 leaves at top. Money plant or pothos. Coleus. Chinese evergreen. Croton plant. Rubber plant. Snake plant. Wandering Jew. Jade plant. Peace lily. Moncetra. Arrowweed plant Syngonium. Spider plant. Lucky bamboo. Flowering plants. Rose. Jasmine. Azalea. Hibiscus. Bougainvillea. Orange trumpet vine. Gardenia. Anthurium. Blueberries. Strawberries. Mulberry. Blackberry. Pomegranate. Fig. Mint. Basil. Black pepper, peppercorn. Curry leaf plant. Rosemary. You will need sharp and clean pruning shears, small pots and glass jars, potting mix, clean water and rooting hormone. Always disinfect your tools with rubbing alcohol. This prevents bacteria or fungal infections. This one step alone can save half your cuttings from rotting. I disinfect with a dilute bleach solution. Rooting in water. Take a clean glass jar and fill it with clean water. Use rainwater, distilled water, or cooled boiled water if your tap water is hard. Optional step, add a little fresh aloe vera gel to the water. It naturally boosts root growth. Keep the jar in bright, indirect light, away from direct sunlight. Change the water every 3 to 4 days so bacteria does not build up. After a few days, you will start seeing tiny white roots. Take a small pot with drainage holes. Mix some river sand or perlite and compost or manure and potting mix and fill the pot with this soil mixture. The compost adds nutrients in soil and sand makes it free draining. Plant the rooted cutting in soil. Keep the pot in bright shade and keep soil moist. Rooting directly in soil. Mix garden soil and river sand or perlite in equal amount. You could also use pure river sand. The goal is to use free draining medium so the cutting does not rot in the process. I will demonstrate the method by rooting blueberry cuttings in soil. Take a small pot with good drainage and fill it with your soil mix. I used pure river sand. Water thoroughly and let the excess water drain for some time. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone. You can use fresh aloe vera gel. Make a hole with a stick and insert the cutting gently. Do not push. Press the soil lightly around it. You can similarly plant more cuttings in the same pot. Cover with a clear plastic bag or bottle to maintain humidity. Keep the pot in shade in a warm area. Every week, open the cover for airflow and check soil moisture. Add a few drops of water if the soil is dry. After a few weeks, you will see new growth. You may also see roots emerging from the drainage holes. Transplant the rooted cuttings in individual pot filled with free draining nutrition-rich soil. Keep them to bright, indirect light. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry. After 2 to 3 weeks, feed a mild liquid fertilizer for faster growth. Bonus tips for faster rooting. Always use clean jars and tools. Hygiene prevents rot. Rain or filtered water gives stronger roots than hard tap water. Remove any rotting leaves or stems immediately. Perlite or sand help prevent cutting rot. Warm temperature and high humidity promote fast rooting. Don't put cuttings in direct sun, they dry out quickly. And that's how you can grow unlimited new plants from cuttings, simple, rewarding, and completely free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your plant-loving friends. Tell me in the comments, which plant will you try propagating next? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy plant care and propagation videos every week.